Hey guys, I'm slowly losing my voice, so I have to talk soft today. But today I'm going to show you how to install a door frame for the chicken coop. This is the progress I've made so far. I just put this section up today. This is screen. I'm using 1/2-inch wire mesh. This I can still walk through. I haven't gotten this part yet. This part I haven't gotten. This part I got on yesterday. And then this is going to be a door from here to there. I got most of this fenced. This is going to be a little bit of the run. I'm just going to put a piece of plywood from here to here. Same with from here to here. Not too far. Not too hard. And then there's going to be another wall that comes from here. Connects to this one right here. And this might be another door from here to here. It's not a wide opening. I mean, that's it. It's that one with outlet. And then this is going to be a wall from this post, that post right here. And that's where we meet our wall again. So it's coming along quite a ways. We are looking pretty good. Today, I'm going to show you all how to install a nice little door. So previously, when we were building this thingy, we had a 2x4 right here that tapered down to make it look nice. And that's bearing most of the load of this piece right here. It's bearing, has a couple screws. I just cut another piece right here. It's like 69 inches, I think. It wasn't too bad. Just cut it at the right angle. I got the angle off a little bit. That's okay. It's Doorjamb, and it's a little bit above the ground, so it won't rot as quick. I'm also going to be putting bricks down there, so I secured it into place using 2 screws up here, 2 screws right there, 2 screws and 2 screws. 8 screws in total, 1 on the left, 1 on the right. Yeah. So now I already have some hinge marks of where the hinges are hopefully going to be. I'm going to just continue that. Alright. Now I'm going to mark some holes where the hinges are going to go. I'm using 4-inch hinges, I think. They each support about 50 pounds, so there's going to be 1 here, 1 here, 1 down there. I'm just using a pencil, putting it where I would like it to be. Marking the holes out. So now we've got 3. That's where I'm going to have to drill so we can make this door a reality, not just a dream. Alright. I'm going to drill these 3, and then those 3 down there. An unconventional drill bit, finishing nail. course, that can always happen. Actually, never mind, I'm using 6-inch hinges, and they're supposed to drill 7/64-inch pilot holes. They can each hold up to 50 pounds. This is the packaging in case you're curious. Everbuilt heavy-duty 6-inch decorative T-hinge. It has a black finish. And that's the number down there. It's 102016. Gonna go online. It's gonna be 030699150311. Go to Home Depot. It's 223116. Whoa. Excuse me. These are pretty long. They're probably about 1.5 inches, so I see why they drill. Because they drill a pilot hole. We should be okay. Let's hope that will be okay, not drilling one. Alright. Almost got it installed. There we go. That's our first hinge. Supports 50 pounds. So it'll be able to shut. And look here. It'll open up right there. So you can go in and access it. Also, we might have another coop or another section out here. This is an easement. It often floods. The water usually overflows. Comes through that space. Oh, I might have to take a break. Comes through the space down there. Start draining right there. And yeah, so it usually cleans out anything. We also often get stuff that comes with it. But I'm just going to go ahead and do those 3 right there. Those 3 right there. 1, 2, 3. Alright, they're all installed. We got 1, 2, 3. So now we can put 150 pounds total on this sucker door. Alright, that's just installing the door jamb and the hinges. Looking probably tomorrow's video, which will be uploaded in a couple days, on making the door, and then another video on attaching it, installing it, doing just a little something to the things down here. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you all next time. A quick shout out to my new subscribers. I'm pretty sure they've subscribed. I will see them tomorrow. So my next video, I will give them a shout out. If I didn't already give them a shout out. Special thanks to my new subscribers, Richard, Ty, Pablo. And I'm probably forgetting somebody. But thank you, you 3. Y'all rock. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all next time.